Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and in today's video we're just going on a little outing, a little self-care trip, a little day out, right? So it's been a while since I've been on this channel. I think my last video was like 3 weeks ago, and in that video I did a day in the life of a doctor, and I think you guys can kind of understand what's going on right now. Right now is what we call the peak season of the year. Peak season in terms of obstetrics, and it's when the most babies tend to be born in the year. All of you Christmas babies, all you Valentine's babies, and by that I mean the babies are conceived around those times, all those special moments of the year. So there are more babies during the time, plus I think COVID is affecting it as well, but it's that time of the year, and so duties are a lot busier, the wards are full, patients are coming in and they're ready to pop. So the work has been a little bit turned up, and then when I come home in the evening, even when I'm not on duty, even when I don't have 24 hours, girl is exhausted. I'm so tired. I'm trying to fit it all in, but boy, not gonna lie, I'm struggling a bit. I am struggling a bit. So sorry for no consistency. I'm trying to get back in the game, trying to get back in the groove of things, and so I'm pulling myself out, because the next thing is that even when I have free time, sometimes I'm just so tired, I'm just so over it, I don't want to leave my house. So I'm pushing myself. So you know what, can you imagine adventure girl don't want to leave her house? Nice. I'm gonna leave my house, I'm gonna go on a trip, I'm going to do something. It's not going to be a long trip because it's already like 1 o'clock, and as I said, I had to pull myself out of the house, and it's already 1, so let's see where we end up. Alright guys, so before we continue to this video, I'd like to give a shout out to the subscriber of the day who will be listed right here. Thank you so much for your continued support as we continue to grow this channel. We have some new subscribers here since I've made my last video, and welcome to you all. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend as we continue to grow this beautiful little channel over here. Alright, enough of my chattering, let's get into the video. The first order of business is, deciding where I'm going, and then I'll get you on the trip. Alright guys. Oh, and don't I look cute? Like, I'm liking this look. Lips all done up, but girl skin looking clean. Oh my god. Alright, let's get into the video before I, continue chatting, because I'm a chatterbox sometimes. Yeah. Alright, let's go. So I finally made it to the beach. Unfortunately, they're playing a lot of copyrighted music, and because I don't want to get a copyright strike on this video, listen to my voice as I guide you along the beach. Alright guys, so cue free music. Alright, let's go. heading home from the beach. I'm in my swimsuit only and my towel wrapped around me. Yeah, that's the way I roll. Judge me, whatever. Alright, so yeah, I'm heading back from the beach now. The strap actually calmed down, so I just catching it right here, so I don't look like I'm naked on people them screen and them, you know, flag me. But yeah, what had happened was I ended up going to Bob Marley Beach, which is around 20 to 30 minutes outside of Kingston, really close by. We end up staying like 2-3 hours there, just washing off, chilling. And so now it's a little bit after 4, it's around 4:20, 4:30 thereabouts. And I reach back in Kingston. I leave outside of Kingston, like Blue Bay side, and it dry, sun hot, it nice and shiny. Come back into Kingston City and it's pure rain. What is not this? So I'm happy that I got this little escape to go to the beach. It was so relaxing, it's so refreshing. Top tips. So it's a free beach, so I didn't have to pay, or at least nobody never charged me. So I don't know. I didn't have to pay to go to the beach. It was fairly empty, so don't go overpopulate the beach now, people. It was fairly clean. It is a black sand beach, which is, you know, uncommon rather than Jamaica's usual white sand beach. It's actually a black sand beach. It's hot, so wear your slippers. And I would also recommend, if you have like water shoes, I wish I had remembered mine, but if you have water shoes, wear them, because there's gravel. So there's also gravel, especially on the bank, the embankment that they used to kind of put it high enough so that the wave don't crash in and just overrun the shoreline. That's gravel, and it's also rocks and stones, and it's hot. So if you have water shoes, then wear those. It's great to go into the water. The water is nice, it's cool, it's not too deep. There is actually a line there that shows and outlines where you should go and where you should stay when you're in the water. So don't cross the barrier if you don't, you know, if you want to stay alive and don't have no issues. Don't start no problem, won't be no problem. But yeah, great experience, really good. It was my first time going there, and as I reach, oh my god, right as I'm about to reach, guess who tire just popped? I got a flat tire. It's a good thing that I reach, and so I had a little bit ways to go before I actually got onto the beach. It was like along the road to the beach. So as I reached, fortunately I found 2 gentlemen. Shout out to them, Donovan and Roger. They changed my tire for me. I appreciate them. Roger is a fisherman from the area who's out there catching fish, and Donovan was there with, I think, his son or grandson. They're friends, they know each other. He was there with either his son or grandson. They was there with a little boy, and they were just sitting down chatting, and then I drive up with my flat tire, and they came over and helped me in the most gentlemanly way. So I appreciate it, and I just chatted with them a little and have conversation. Before I come to the beach by myself. I'm like, because I come to places by myself all the time. Yeah, so I was just talking to them, and there are a few other people on the beach, but as I said, it was fairly empty. So even though there was a little bit of people on the beach, it was not overly populated where, you know, you couldn't see you can't find a place to lie down. There's shelter there, there are little bamboo bamboo huts with chairs that you can sit down on, and it was just a really, really refreshing and relaxing experience, and I appreciate it. I love these off-beaten path. Well, it's not community, because it's a community beach. You have to drive through the community to get to the beach. So I like these little areas where not a lot of Jamaicans overpopulated, not the tourist hotspots, not the, you know, the Lime Keys. And I like Lime Keys. Let me not pretend like I don't like those areas, but sometimes every once in a while it's nice to go to these really private areas, these really cherishable areas, these really not well traversed areas, and just have a good wholesome experience, especially because I didn't want to go too far considering the time. I didn't want to have to drive too far outside of Kingston, because I mean, I left my house at 1 o'clock So I needed to go somewhere that wasn't too far so that I could make it back in time for curfew and not have the government to try drape me up and say, what am I doing to my yard? Even though I'm like, officer, I'm sorry, I'm on my way home. It's just so it goes sometime. Anyways, so I'm heading home now. It's raining. Boy, maybe I'll give you guys a little chatting on the way home, or when I reach home, or maybe this is the end of it. If it's the end of it, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm still driving, so I can't even do no hand gestures, but yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend, and you know, if you like videos like this, then just watch the playlist, watch a travel playlist. Even if you have it running and stuff, just support your girl. Support the girl with the watch hour. Support the girl with the view. I really, really, really appreciate it all. Until next time, peace. I am really going to try and do an outro though when I reach home. So hopefully I remember and don't, forget all of these things. Alright guys.